because I made it very clear. I was adamant about making sure that these were being rebutted. See, I'm doing stuff with paternity. Don't want her to get me on a technicality. I'm rebutting these presumptions doing the legal channels. Everyone gets a baby today. You're rebutting that, right? You're rebutting that. It's a rebuttable presumption. But if nobody challenges that presumption, then you're good. So would my attorney purposely not challenge this? How would I be able to prove that she would purposely not challenge this? Because it seems that Lori, everything she did was to be presumed. Everything she did, everything she asked the court. Okay, so, and as I said earlier, when Lori signs off on her letters, she signs off with the same thing. And humans get stuck on this. Very truly yours. Very truly yours, Your Honor. Do I have more? I think I might have more. So, Lori, my question to you. Are you able to help me correct what you did? Because it seems that with all this, very truly yours, Your Honor. Very truly yours. And the fact that they skipped a lot of steps, because before Sunshine was, read that, not a joint child. And I want you to read this. We have briefs that are due to decide whether or not Haley is a parent. But this is all for child support. But because I know that if you want to rebut something or open up a judgment, Lori, and now this is very, I'm alleging a huge thing here, Lori. Huge thing. And I need your help because it's not going to make you look good. It's not going to make anybody look good, and everyone's going to want to deny it. But, okay? Now, when Leo signs off on his stuff, when he signs off just saying thank you. Okay, here's an example. Leo. But when he wrote a brief that I'm alleging that you wrote, because look at this, Lori. When you write to the court, you say, very truly yours, Your Honor. Very truly yours. Very truly yours. So, I find that on Edward's brief by Leo, it says what a black man probably would not say, sounding like a white, very truly yours. So I'm alleging, Lori, that Leo did not write this, that you did. Very truly yours. I'm sorry. This is for Sunshine. I need to open up this judgment. And it seems that there's very substantial errors. Not just with that, but with the taxes. I have somebody going and reviewing Haley's tax records because they're fudged. And she should not be receiving support. Also, if an attorney is representing a client, is it typical that an attorney would have a client sign an affidavit or have a request for an IFP if an attorney is representing a client, there would be no need for an IFP because those fees are taken care of. So I want to know on January 9th, what the hell happened, because it says that. I mean, everything was so that it wouldn't be challenged. Everything wouldn't be challenged. And you even say that. You even say that. If I'm not, I won't be prejudiced. Very truly yours, Your Honor. Very truly yours. So, because if an attorney has a written affidavit from a client, where did that shit go? So yeah, Lori, can you help me? Can you help me? Because I see that you, oh wait, I can substantiate that. Miss McLaughlin. Mrs. McLaughlin. Follow up our phone conversation. I have reviewed the Minnesota statutes 517-201, and it is still my position that your client does not have any rights with respect to Sunshine. As I told you during the phone call, I was under the impression that we would only be stipulating to my client intervening in the dissolution. During the phone conference last Thursday, you spoke with Kelsey's counsel. You mentioned wanting to intervene in my client's custody case, and I in turn mentioned wanting to intervene in the divorce case. Referee Moses asked when there was a possibility of the parties entering into a stipulation over the intervention issue. Next, Lori, volunteered to draft a stipulation and circulate the stipulation between myself and the counsel for Kelsey. Remember, I was represented. So what she should have done, I'm finding she didn't do. So, and Lori, you wrote and drafted the stipulation. How do I know that also? Well, I might not be able to find it right now, but oh, I found it right now. I'm in the process of drafting. Lori, you wrote this. That is fraud. That right there is enough to overturn a lot. But I have a feeling that you're going to hide and try to hide behind the defenses of lawyers and boards. So, yes, because now look at this. I signed the affidavit for paternity, but then Nisha decided to redraft it after I signed it. Okay? So I am definitely asking for help. As I just proved, there was some fraudulent stuff going on. They're still going to lie about it. And I even have the judge lying. Hold on.